Unveiling Karur, a symphony of nature and heritage. Karur, a city nestled in the heart of Tamil Nadu, is a place where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. This hidden gem is waiting to be discovered by those who seek beauty and tranquility. It is a place where the symphony of nature harmonizes with the echoes of a rich historical past, creating a unique blend of serenity and heritage. The city is blessed with the life-giving waters of the Kaveri River, which nourishes the land and its people. Ancient temples stand as testaments to time, showcasing the architectural brilliance and spiritual depth of the region. The vibrant cultural heritage of Karur is celebrated through its festivals, where traditional music, dance and rituals come alive. Karur's charm lies in its ability to transport you to a simpler time, where the essence of rural life is preserved. A time where the pace of life is slower, allowing you to savor each moment and connect with the surroundings. The connection to nature is palpable as you walk through the lush landscapes and breathe in the fresh air. The gentle breeze carries the scent of jasmine, a fragrance that soothes the soul and invigorates the senses. The laughter of children playing in the fields fills the air, a reminder of the simple joys of life. This is Karur, a city that invites you to slow down, breathe deep, and reconnect with the beauty that surrounds you. Whether you seek solace in nature, a glimpse into history, or a moment of peace, Karur offers it all. The city's natural beauty and historical significance make it a perfect destination for travelers of all kinds. Whether you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life or simply want to immerse yourself in a serene environment, Karur has something to offer everyone. From its scenic landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, there is always something new to discover. Come, let us embark on a journey to unveil the treasures of this enchanting city and experience the magic of Karur for yourself. Karur on the map, where the Kaveri flows. Karur is situated on the banks of the sacred Kaveri River in the western part of Tamil Nadu. It is well connected by road and rail, making it easily accessible from major cities like Chennai, Coimbatore and Trichy. The city stands as a gateway to the southern districts of Tamil Nadu. The Kaveri River, considered a lifeline of South India, flows through Karur, dividing it into two distinct parts. The river's presence is not just geographical, it is deeply intertwined with the city's history, culture and economy. The fertile lands nourished by the Kaveri have made Karur an agricultural hub, famous for its cotton, rice and banana plantations. The river also holds immense religious significance, and its banks are dotted with ancient temples and ghats, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike. A canvas of green Karur's natural splendor. Karur is a city where nature's artistry unfolds in vibrant hues. Nestled in the heart of Tamil Nadu, this city is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of urban life and natural beauty. The landscape is a tapestry woven with lush green fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, creating a serene and picturesque environment. Swaying coconut groves and the shimmering waters of the Kaveri River. This river, a lifeline for the region, meanders gracefully through the land, nourishing everything in its path. The riverbanks are fringed with emerald green paddy fields, where the vibrant green of the crops contrasts beautifully with the blue of the river. Here, farmers tend to their crops with a rhythm passed down through generations, their hands working in harmony with the land, ensuring the cycle of life continues. The air is filled with the sweet melodies of birdsong, a natural symphony that adds to the charm of Karur's countryside. And the gentle rustling of leaves creates a soothing symphony, a reminder of the ever-present connection between nature and life. Small islands dot the Kaveri River, each one a small haven of tranquility and natural beauty, offering idyllic spots to escape the city's hum and immerse oneself in the tranquility of nature. These islands provide a perfect retreat for those seeking peace and solitude. These islands, often cloaked in a veil of mist, add a mystical element to the landscape, making them appear almost otherworldly. Are home to a variety of bird life, making them a paradise for birdwatchers. The diversity of species here is a testament to the rich and vibrant ecosystem of Karur. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, the entire landscape is bathed in a warm, golden glow. Karur transforms into a scene of ethereal beauty, a perfect end to a day in this natural paradise. Nature's tapestry flora and fauna of Karur. Karur is a haven for biodiversity, boasting a rich tapestry of flora and fauna. The fertile lands and the life-giving waters of the Kaveri River support a wide variety of plant and animal life. The city's landscape is dotted with mango, tamarind and neem trees, providing shade and sustenance to both humans and animals. The air is filled with the fragrance of jasmine, roses and marigolds, adding a touch of vibrancy to the surroundings. The Kaveri River and its surrounding wetlands attract a diverse array of bird life. Kingfishers, with their iridescent plumage, dart across the water's surface, while egrets wade gracefully in the shallows. The region is also home to peacocks, spotted deer, and a variety of reptiles, showcasing the delicate balance of Karur's ecosystem. Section 5. Ancient Echoes, Sacred Grounds, Temples of Karur. Karur's history is etched into the ancient temples that stand tall, whispering tales of bygone eras. These architectural marvels are not only places of worship but also serve as reminders of the city's rich cultural heritage. The Pasupatiswara Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is one of the most prominent temples in Karur. This temple, with its towering gopuram adorned with intricate carvings, stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the Chola dynasty. Another notable temple is the Kalyana Venkataramana Swami Temple, situated atop a hill. The temple offers panoramic views of the city and the meandering Kaveri River, creating a sense of serenity and peace. These temples, often nestled amidst lush greenery and surrounded by water bodies, reflect the harmonious blend of nature and spirituality that defines Karur. Section 6. Wetlands and Tranquility, Karur's Ecotourism. Karur is blessed with numerous wetlands, which serve as havens for biodiversity and offer excellent opportunities for ecotourism. These wetlands, fed by the Kaveri River, are home to a wide variety of resident and migratory birds, making them a paradise for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. The Mayanur Crocodile Bank, located on the outskirts of Karur, is another popular ecotourism destination. The bank is home to a large population of crocodiles as well as other reptiles and bird species. Visitors can learn about the importance of wetland conservation and witness these fascinating creatures in their natural habitat. Boating facilities are available at some of the wetlands, allowing visitors to explore the serene waters and observe the rich bird life up close. The tranquility of these wetlands offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Section 7. Bounty of the Land. Agriculture in Karur. Agriculture is the backbone of Karur's economy, and the fertile lands nourished by the Kaveri River have earned the city the moniker cotton capital of Tamil Nadu. The river's life-giving waters ensure that the soil remains rich and productive, allowing farmers to cultivate a variety of crops throughout the year. This agricultural prosperity has been a cornerstone of Karur's development and sustenance. The landscape is a patchwork of emerald green paddy fields, swaying sugarcane plantations, and vibrant banana groves. Each field tells a story of hard work and dedication, with crops that thrive under the careful watch of experienced farmers. The diversity of the crops grown here is a testament to the region's agricultural versatility and the farmers' ability to adapt to changing conditions. The farmers of Karur, with their generations of knowledge and expertise, cultivate a variety of crops, including rice, cotton, sugarcane, bananas, and groundnuts. Their deep understanding of the land and its needs allows them to maximize yields and maintain soil health. This intergenerational wisdom is passed down, ensuring that farming techniques evolve while respecting traditional practices. The sight of farmers tending to their fields, with the sun glinting off their tools, is a testament to the hard work and dedication that sustains this agrarian community. These farmers often start their day at dawn and work tirelessly until dusk, embodying the spirit of perseverance and resilience. Their efforts not only feed their families but also contribute significantly to the local and regional food supply. The agricultural abundance of Karur not only contributes to the local economy but also enhances the beauty of the landscape. The lush green fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a visual representation of the region's fertility and the farmers' hard work. This natural beauty attracts visitors and adds to the cultural richness of the area. The vibrant colors of the crops against the backdrop of the blue sky create a picturesque scene that captures the essence of rural Tamil Nadu. This idyllic setting is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a reminder of the harmonious relationship between the people and the land. The beauty of Karur's agricultural landscape is a source of pride for its residents and a symbol of the region's enduring agricultural heritage. Section 8. The Rhythm of Seasons. Karur's Climate. Karur experiences a tropical climate with distinct wet and dry seasons. The city is known for its hot summers, with temperatures often soaring above 40 degrees Celsius. The monsoon season, which arrives in October and lasts until December, brings much-needed relief from the heat. The winter months, from December to February, are pleasant and mild, making it an ideal time to explore the city and its surroundings. The post-monsoon season brings lush greenery to the landscape, as the Kaveri River swells with rainwater and nourishes the surrounding fields. The climate of Karur plays a crucial role in shaping its natural beauty. The seasonal variations bring about a constant change in the landscape, from the vibrant hues of blooming flowers in spring to the golden fields of ripening crops in autumn. Section 9. Beyond Karur, nearby gems to explore. While Karur itself offers a plethora of attractions, the region surrounding the city is also home to several places of interest that are worth exploring. The historical town of Aravakurichi, located about 30 kilometers from Karur, is renowned for its ancient temples and historical monuments. The town is also famous for its handloom weaving industry, and visitors can witness skilled artisans creating intricate designs on silk and cotton fabrics. Another nearby attraction is the Veliandiri Wildlife Sanctuary, located about 70 kilometers from Karur. The sanctuary is home to a variety of wildlife, including elephants, tigers, leopards, and several species of birds. Visitors can embark on jeep safaris or nature walks to explore the sanctuary's diverse flora and fauna.